Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a glass texture effect on images in Photoshop. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image, and click on Place. Now go to the Rectangle Marquee tool, and draw a long bar selection rectangle. Then go to the Adjustment layer, and add a Gradient Adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Now press Ctrl+J for layer via copy, drag it toward the right, and place it here. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T for duplicate, and repeat. Hold the Shift button and select all these layers. Right-click, and convert them to Smart Object. Save this file. And hide this layer. Go to the Rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Round its corners a bit. Go back to the Layer panel, hold the Control button, and click on the layer icon for selection lines. And hide this layer. Select the image layer, and add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+J. Select the down layer, right-click on it, and delete the mask. Right-click on the masked layer and convert it to a smart object. Then go to the Filter menu, and Filter Gallery. Select the glass filter from the Distort. Click on this small icon, and load the texture. Select the previously saved file, and click on Open. Click on the plus icon to add another glass filter, and increase the smoothness to maximum. Right-click on it and open the blending options. Add stroke to it. Follow my stroke settings. Add in a glow with these settings. Color overlay of white color. And lastly, apply a drop shadow using the following settings. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.